The jungle's Happy New Year party. It was a bright morning in the jungle. Today was a very special day. A new year was coming. Monkey jumped with joy. "Let's have a New Year party," he shouted happily. Elephant smiled and helped. He carried decorations with his long trunk. Parrot flew high and sang songs. The jungle started to look colorful and bright. Tiger brought yummy fruits. Squirrel collected shiny leaves for the party. Soon the jungle looked magical. Fireflies glowed like tiny lights. Lion said kindly, "Friends, let us welcome the new year together. Let us be kind, help each other, and stay happy." Everyone cheered and counted together. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year! The animals danced and laughed. The jungle was full of joy and friendship. When we help each other and celebrate together, every new beginning becomes happier and brighter.